Hey guys, Carl here. Went and did something the other day. Ordered up a little solar panel. Now I don't think it's going to necessarily save this battery. However, I do think it will save a future battery. Just alligator clips on the battery. And I went ahead and brought it through the holes, and so it's out here. Unplug it, drive away. When you park her, well, she ought to be charging the battery, and it just might save me because I've been through better than one battery a year. And we're gonna try to see if that's not gonna make a difference. For less than the price of a battery. Cost, I don't know, 23 bucks or something. But it was even LED light on it was turning on when it was sitting in the dark living room before I even brought it out this morning. But we're going to give that a try and see if it won't help with my battery problem. I don't have a drain or a discharge. Those lawn and garden tractor batteries just don't hold. So I might have to be looking for some upgrades or something like that. But for now, we're going to try what I love and get some alternative energy doing its work for nothing. Thought I'd share that with you. And today I'm going to try to level that out right through here because I've got a pile of firewood to bring up and put behind the house. And I'll have to be using the trailer so I don't make so many trips. But haven't decided whether or not I'm going to video all that because probably getting boring for you guys just watching me drive around on flat roads. But pretty soon I'm trying to burn the stump out. I'm going to come up here and start putting a lot of rock across here for my stone patio. And of course we'll keep that most of that all documented and let you know what's going on. Anyway, quick update. Love you guys, and hope you all are having a great summer. Take care. Hey guys, Carl here. Good to see you again. It's been a little while. Earlier in the video, you see that I got this thing just stuck. I was playing around and I wasn't paying attention. I went ahead and just got her unstuck, got her drug out, and I had my sister on the dozer, and in typical Carl fashion, she is done. That one's not too bad, but she's a high flyer, no traction whatsoever. That one's buried in real nice. And of course we got half a bucket of rock that's stuck in the bank. So we got another day of, or another short video of bringing the trencher out and unsticking the dozer. But likewise, you know, or unlikewise I guess, when I got the trencher unstuck earlier, which was a good thing, I suppose. Used the dozer to do that. But what a team they make. But we're going to fire this up and go get the Magnatrac unstuck. Bailey will watch. And hopefully we'll have some fun. I even have a new co-pilot on the trencher. My little bull. For my new puppy. She likes it. We'll introduce you to Tesla if she wakes up and runs around with us. All right, we'll get to it. So, got the trencher over, and I had a subscriber ask, well, what can the trencher lift? You know what? I don't know. Let's give it a try and just see if we can just pick it up and move it over. But I'll give it a try. also come a disclaimer. Don't do what I just did. Do not put heavy metal against heavy metal. We broke the winch. So the winch is done. But tractor's out. Now I got a spare cable. Now I got a spare electric motor. I got all kinds of good stuff out of this, but she's on flat ground, ready to come out. So yeah, don't do what I did. All right, I told you guys earlier in the video that I bought a solar panel, and look at that. And that is that. Put the solar panel back on her, keep her charged up while I'm not on it. Everything's unstuck. I'll order up a new winch from Harbor Freight because they do fantastic. But to the one subscriber who's asking what it could lift, well, there you go. Worth every penny. Worth every penny of that. Now, we know we can do it without using winches and chains. So, we'll see you guys next time.